Hello everyone. Is your Freeview Play box stuck on that annoying loading screen? You turn it on, you see the brand logo, and then, nothing. It just stays there, loading forever. It's a very common and frustrating issue, but don't worry. Before you panic or consider buying a new one, we're going to walk through the most common fixes, from the simplest to the more advanced. Let's get your TV viewing back on track. First, and this solves the problem about 80% of the time, is the full power cycle. Don't just turn it off with the remote. You need to go to the wall socket and switch it off, then unplug the power cable from the back of the Freeview box itself. Now, wait for at least 1 full minute. This is the important part. Waiting allows the internal components to fully discharge and clears any temporary software glitches or memory errors that are causing it to hang. After a minute, plug it back in, switch it on at the wall, and then turn on the box. Give it a few minutes to boot up and see if it gets past the loading screen. If that didn't work, let's move on to step 2, check your connections. A Freeview Play box needs 2 key connections to work properly, the aerial for the TV signal and the internet for the play features like catch-up services. Sometimes, a poor internet connection can cause the box to get stuck while it's trying to connect to the network during startup. Check that your Wi-Fi is working on other devices, or if you use an Ethernet cable, make sure it's securely clicked into both the box and your router. Also, just to be sure, check your aerial cable is pushed in firmly. A loose cable can sometimes cause weird startup issues. Our third step, if you're still stuck, is to consider overheating. Feel the box. Is it really hot to the touch? These devices need good ventilation. Make sure it's not crammed into a tight space, covered by anything, or stacked with other electronics. If it's hot, turn it off, let it cool down completely for an hour in an open space, and then try again. Finally, if nothing else has worked, we have the last resort, the factory reset. Be warned, this will erase all your settings, your scheduled recordings, and your saved channel list, returning the box to its out-of-the-box state. You'll need to set it up all over again. The method for this varies by manufacturer. Most boxes have a tiny, recessed reset button on the back or bottom that you'll need a paperclip to press and hold while you power the device on. You should check your user manual or the manufacturer's website for the exact instructions for your model to avoid any issues. If even a factory reset doesn't fix the loading screen, it sadly points towards a hardware failure inside the box, and it may be time to contact the manufacturer for support or consider a replacement. I really hope one of those steps worked for you. Thank you so much for watching. If this video helped you fix your Freeview box, please show your support by giving it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. Your support is hugely appreciated and helps us create more helpful videos like this one. Thanks again for watching.